Welcome to Global Products MURX Ophthalmology EHR. We have added some new features to our EHR. So we will see those features as well as the entire ophthalmology EHR. This is the main login page. We will log into a test facility. Once we log in, we are taken to the main dashboard with shortcut tabs for quick access to the frequently used modules, submodules within the ophthalmology EHR. There's a detailed navigation menu on the left hand side. The patient clinical data is recorded in the patient chart, which is accessed by clicking on patient to consult tab. Then we click on the name of the patient. The patient chart or the clinical management page opens up. We'll expand this. The topmost part displays the patient details such as the name, address, his visit ID. Patient medical and social history is recorded by clicking on Add Update, which opens up the new window. You can record social history such as smoking, drug abuse, alcohol, medical history. To record medical history, click on the checkbox to select, and comments, if any, can be entered in free text format. And clicking on save will save the medical history selected, and it is displayed in the patient medical and social history panel. Next are the ophthalmic examinations. Click on add update. There are two columns. The left hand column shows the names of the examinations, and the right hand column the findings for the same. So clicking on the examination shows the findings in the right hand column. So this is for lacrimal apparatus, for vision, iris, for A scan, chief complaints. The examination, the findings are recorded by again clicking on the checkbox for the right eye and left eye. This is for lids. And similarly, clicking on save will save the options selected. Now examinations can be added to this list by, or any sub examinations can be added by simply double clicking on the main examination. Either a new examination can be added by clicking on new examination. The sequence of the examinations in the examinations column can be changed by specifying the sequence number, or selecting a parent examination and then entering a new examination. Let's click on save. In this way, examinations can be added, or sub examinations can be added to the main examination, or the sequence can be changed as required. Next, coming to the diagnosis, MURX has a listing of ICD-10 codes. Clicking on add will open the diagnosis recording window. For ICD-10 codes, the default selection is shown. For any diagnosis not covered in the ICD-10 codes, select the diagnosis non-ICD option, and the diagnosis can be typed in free text format. So we'll see the ICD-10 codes for glaucoma. It shows the listing of all the diagnosis for glaucoma along with the ICD-10 codes. Selecting the diagnosis, the diagnosis type can be selected from these options. onset date by clicking on this option. Comments, if any, can be entered in free text format, and clicking on save shows the diagnosis along with the ICD-10 code. Current medication, if any taken by the patient, can be entered in free text format under current medication. Coming to prescription, drugs or medication can be prescribed from within the software using the drug database. With that, click on add. Medicine can be searched using the medicine advanced search function by brand name, generic name both, and by the category of the drug. Now a new category can be added by clicking on this button, or a category of a drug category can be modified by selecting and then making the changes and clicking on save. So we'll select the medicine or the eye drops, then select the dosage, drops frequency, number of days, comment and advice, if any, again can be typed in. Click on save. So the save medication is shown. If drugs more than one need to be prescribed, again click on add. Select an ointment. The number of the frequency, number of days, click on save. Now once the drug is selected for a particular diagnosis, it can be set as a default prescription for that particular diagnosis by clicking on default prescription. So these drugs or medications which are saved over here for glaucoma suspect, by clicking on default prescription, they have been made default drugs. So when the next time the any patient comes in and when the glaucoma suspect is selected, these drugs will show up by default. And then save. Once saved, if any change or if the drug is to be edited, the doctor can just delete this drug and he can add any other drug which he wants to. Now the prescription is also printed from within MURX. By clicking on this green button next to add, there will be options for printing the prescription, such as with header, with footer, with investigation findings, chief complaint, diagnosis, prescription with glasses, prescription only, and glass only. Clicking on the any of these options, the prescription will be printed with that particular option, with header, with footer, chief complaint, diagnosis, prescription with glasses. The prescription will get generated and a printout can be given. Next, coming to the glass details for spectacles, clicking on any of these boxes will open the chart. Is clicking on the options or selecting these options for right and left glass values and click on save. These will be displayed. For prism, clicking on this prism and select the values and save. Similarly for IPD and NPD. Now the glass type can be selected from under the glass type option from this drop down menu. Glass types other than these or the ones as required can be added by clicking on this button, or the existing ones can be modified. Similarly for glass use type, the glass material, glass coating, and any special instructions to be given to the patient. Coming to clinical vision, clicking on add update or any of these cells will open up the chart for selection. Clicking on save will display the values. Next is the auto refractometer readings, which will open up the chart. Selecting from these options, clicking on save will show the values. Advice, if any, can be given or can be entered by the doctor as required. Again, we will save all this data. So this is the main OPD clinical page. Coming to subspecialties, MEORX ophthalmology EHR has subspecialties for cornea, cornea follow-up injury, retina, keratoplasty, glaucoma, and pediatric. So this one is for cornea. This image can be edited by clicking on the image, which will open up the image editor, and the images can be marked up and save. It will display over here. And intraocular pressure, operative details with date, the differential diagnosis, information for keratometry using manual auto K, topography, conjunctival swab, corneal scrape treatment can be saved. This is for the cornea subspecialty. Next is the injury, history of presenting illness, operative details, slit lamp information, classification of the injury, closed globe injury. These details can be typed in. The ocular trauma score can be recorded. It's globe rupture, perforating injury, and the Roper Hall classification can be selected and saved. It's for injury. Next is the retina. PCVA can be selected from the drop down menu, and PH vision, color vision, tension, SAG, the complete anterior segment information, retinal exam, peripheral exam, OCT interpretation, injection details, injection number, date, and given by OCT MAC thickness can be saved. This is for retina. Next is keratoplasty. Again, history of presenting illness, ocular examination, posterior segment. This image can be edited as shown before using the built-in editor and save. Then under others, axial length, retinoscopy, IOP, Sheards, eye care, applanation, digital, operative details, post-operative details, vision, culture, sensitivity, organism, and follow-up. So this is the keratoplasty subspecialty. Coming to glaucoma, history of presenting illness, the medications given and the date, ocular examinations. The drop down values can be selected from the drop down list. BCVA. This image can be edited using the image editor. Intraocular pressure using Schwartz, eye care, applanation digital. Fundus examination, OCT. Perimetry information can be recorded in the glaucoma subspecialty. And finally, coming to pediatric subspecialty, complaints, TOB, duration, headache, watering, squinting of eyes, all this information can be added and entered in free text format. The birth history, vision IOP, color vision, squint motor assessment, and anterior segment. So these are the subspecialties included in MURX ophthalmology EHR. And coming back to general ophthalmology, surgery details can also be general surgery details can also be recorded. Then allergies, the allergy type, allergen reaction, recorded date. And then is the billing and payments section, fees and charges. Can select from the drop down menu, or the billing header can be added by clicking on this button, and the any billing head can be added by the doctor or the clinic using a billing head code, billing head name, and the amount can be specified by the clinic or the doctor, and it can be added to the list, or any existing billing head can be modified by just selecting the billing head and changing the name and adding it to the list. Once the billing heads are added, they will show up in the bill. So just selecting the billing heads, for example, such as consultation, an amount which has been specified in this test facility will show up. And click on add, the charges will get added for maybe IPD charges or follow-up charges or bed charges. Can select an amount which has been specified will display. Adding that amount will add the amount to the total bill or the total amount. Payment methods can also be selected. The payment made by the patient, click on new payment, and the mode of payment can be selected, such as by cash or by check if the payment is made by the patient using a check. If the payment is made using a card or by any other means, such as the UPI, Google Pay, Paytm, any of the payment methods. Selecting cash will show the date on which the payment is made, the amount to be paid, and a remark if any. So this is the billing part. This is about the overall general ophthalmology and subspecialty modules. Previous patient visit history can be viewed by the doctor in this clinical page by clicking on history of patient visit, and the previous history, such as the visit date, the examinations if recorded, the diagnosis, medicine given, advice, glass and glass pair details will display. That is, the previous visit history will be displayed in this patient chart or the clinical module. Reports are also generated in MURX, different reports. In this navigation menu, click on reports. Patient list according to the diagnosis is generated and can be printed out. Selecting a diagnosis, example senile cataract, and selecting the date range will show a list of all the patients with the senile cataract diagnosis, their visit IDs, their patient IDs, and the day and date on which the diagnosis was recorded. A print can be given if required, and a patient diagnosis report can be generated from within MURX. Similarly, a medication list report can also be generated for the medications given to the patients, basically a list of patients for whom a particular drug has been given. So this is the entire MURX ophthalmology EHR module with the general ophthalmology and subspecialty modules. After all the details have been entered and saved, the visit is closed by clicking on close consultation, and the visit for the patient for the day will be closed.